Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off shuffle on Amazon Music using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Amazon Music app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, choose any song, album or playlist and tap play. Once the music starts playing, look at the bottom of the screen and tap the now playing bar. This opens the Fill Music screen. Now look at the controls of the screen. You will see a shuffle icon. It looks like two crossed arrows. If the shuffle icon is highlighted or colored, that means shuffle is turned on. To turn off shuffle, simply tap the shuffle icon once. When shuffle is off, the icon will turn gray or no longer be highlighted. And that's it. Your music will now play in the correct order from the first song to the last. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.